Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Jumatato ngia umwanchi omurigereri begetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bobwansu Gusii no kwegena mnaritwore ori abere ritorero kigima na mono kwa bergo kwego kya ase okobwatia emiroberi yonse ritwore rero
namange to kwariganiriti umwanchi omurigereria ase Emanyie Jumatato gati yabo omokonyi bomugabano gatatu me county ya Kisii konyara kobaga gotiani werinda nyara kobaga gochake mirimo bene yokubwatarana amuno mugavana sokone ngabanyara koba wikirani chira cha magendero
Eyemo naenda mango mwanchi omurigeri to kwarigania senchira yabene me Emanyie Jumatato Ensa moja bona magoroba to kumanya mna twabire to kubwatarana nabariki baito na gusangereria korwase chinsinyo awane na sorogongo rwa Gusii korwaga kete goika chinse chiga
namange to kwariganiriti korende litangani pio mwanchi omurigeri tigatonyara to kwariganiriti senchira yobenge.
And I urge our members of parliament, please pass that name with immediate effect.
Abachumbe koboruwa weteria taria Julius Migosi yo choro kobo mwaziri wechisemia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
I, Lydia, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County.
Elaicho bebo gotiani wabene buno mokonyi bo governor we county ya Kisii ko irari bagari ya Eyemo magega yere wa kwa isiko.
Amache ko ikirara ni mwezi amuyo gutakamza mandi kujiboye ndio anyare koba abantu banyara macharanye
omuchando bwa macho yoberwa ko eneki wasege kago ikomaire nsemo ya sameta mukwerera chinga kyabamenyi abo babekirwa mache Eyemo naenda mango mwanchi omurieto kwarigania senchira yabene tukumanya senchira ere yobekirano gendero tonyara sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital
wetera YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo wetera se website ya www.ndizitv.net
Eritrea ne Everlyne Osero Lydia musenere to kubwatirana asensemo yebimanyerero
yane Josephat Amisi chinga kisara mumanyi bugagenda tokoba kwene kyabuna chibichamanero gichabo chira senchira yobekirano
to kwarigania to chake Emanyie Jumatato ensema senchira yobekirano korwase county ya Kisii waserit korea rero omokonyi bwo governor uyo bakago chorobango igano mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati asereta Lydia obebo abakago tianwa bene rego chaga kurwa obokoreri bwaye asyabisi buna omokonyi bwo governor magega yo wakwa isiko yo kabere omugavana bwe omokonyi bwo governor monda
nomoyego nyarakoba gokorekana segeti gya Gusii stadium aseboigo omugavana Paul Simbarati nyarakobaga kuria chira ngamba chikoba bakubwaterana amono mokonyi oyebuna inchira Eyemo yokonekia buna chira chamagendero chenyarekoba chigwikirani waho chiase abamenyi be county ya Kisii
murike Mildred Momanyi na bakubwatira roboti oruna gutwariganira senchira ere yobwikirano
nomoyega ochaka no bwansu bwaye aiga nase egeti kya Gusii Stadium engati omukonyi bw'omugavana Elijah Obebo arenge gotyanigwa.
I, Elijah Obebo, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County.
Aya ni gago chama yayo kabeire omukonyi bw'omugavana Dr. Robert Monda kurusi bwabisi asa magosa y'obukurumi obotumeki obube bwabisi egati ya magosa ande omugavana bwe county ya Kisii nigo ara omoyego yoiga oikerana na barai ao egati ya Charles Nyachae oyore omonyakergo o the Council of Kenya School of Government egati ya bande abange aso omugavana airalibaga anene aso gwakera omorai bwensembuya aso kugayana ogotyanigwa kwae Elijah Obebo.
Sina wengi, leo mbaya tulikuwa sasa nitakuachia ofisi. I want to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya because he intervened yesterday when some people get in there. The Gazette notice only to Gazette a day and a venue. Then the Gazette notice came out yesterday. This morning we had to make sure that Honorable Eyemo is now the Deputy Governor.
Nigo amusaba Obebo ucha kumubwatesya ase ogokora obukurumi na kwenekya amagendro egati ya yande amange.
Ntorigoseka na boli ntorigoseka na kelebyo abantu babutunyegeta abantu bali bazotumya aho tulesa tukwira sobe kubemo byanayo offices no chegei ndubese ndokora muntu ndubese gasi ntorikolika ntobasa kwechiresa kwasa abantu abakakanya.
Obebo yotanyara kobisa omugokoye nigo akambya nase ainekya gucha kubwatesya omugavana asa magendero na gukora obukurumi.
I accept appointment as the Deputy Governor Kisii County. I promise and undertake to be your loyal lieutenant. Your Excellency, I particularly resonate very well with your stance on zero tolerance to corruption and the prudent use of public resources. This is the promise of freedom that our Gusii have been longing for. Your Excellency, I pledge to be your car, guide, C standing for careful, A for being available, and I for being reliable.
Ase chinga kecho nigo Charles Nyachae akera gavana mbuya ase okomochora Obebo nasa motogia Obebo ase amomanyire asa matuko amange buno monto okora egasi ase ntira endonge nase obokeranu.
Ongera sana kwa ile kazi mmepewa siku ya leo and the opportunity to serve the people of Kisii County. In the public sector, I associate him as a person who believes in good governance, a person who believes in integrity in public affairs.
Potalia igetaseni kya Ndizi TV kurwa county ya Kisii inche Mildred Momanyi.
Miyamano murikeito Mildred Momanya se orobo tiururekeranu Amisi na igura abantu bakubori bakomochia igatia barai babetawada na monda asitai yagochia korende yaine kiwebene mukonyi bo mugavana bono no bebo tigababwatirane no kwege namba chiko bwatirana batwaro bwa matobuya bwakoreta magendero ase county ya Kisii
kirenga kia abamenyi be county ya Kisii no korra magendero
togoska bosioni go musangerekano yorobeire go chiago korekana ritkoria rero irikwiraniria amaborio kubwatikana neri ukerio ria bari kolikwa na basabeke gori ya Gen Z asuguchia se enyagetari yari go makwatikana no boteneneri nigo tabago korekana kubwatikana no mubaromoke uyoba ko wikirana
korende katia bali banyara ko bawikirana ase egeikaro ekiono musini ya chief we sub location ya West Kitutu tomundege unyara ko baga ko boria ekegori kiye Gen Z kenyare ko ba ega toera ruchinga kibano bagendete koba bakoroberia naki omuyiga gosena kimusangirekano yo orachi koba go kolekana nigo achire maiga yekegori ekyo kyabasai we murungania nigo bokora libobe banyara koba kwane kibwase enyagitari
nigo musangirekano yo bono na indoro beriwe gochoko korekana ritko rya Jumatato ikego cha ase abobisa naboigo abakori emirimo kurase enyagitari yo baboriwe kwene kyabunango ikirana bare eriyo kwiraniria amaborio yo bunatokumanyi wantu muri gitkurase county ya Nyamira Polkapokara.
Also, the community needs the following explanations. A. Under public demand, the managing committee to provide a number of iron sheets that were removed and the number that has been sold and at how much. B. The number of trees sold and for how much.
Neli rube elio liali kwamo nabasai abubu yabamanyakantemu na Gen Z bakuganya kwererwa obukoreri bw'enyagitari yeiga anene obutumeki bw'enibo igatia manganande
ronto abo ate meeting ya general meeting ya bwana takoba address ya mangana atoka aretwa na abana ebijana bya Gen Z tugateba mukutano berere general meeting
musangirekano yiga okagere kunyara kabago korekana ritiko lya rero elyo kubabwatanya abamenye ku rwasinseme chiga nigo otanyara kabago korekana kubwatekana n'umubaro moke bw'abantu abo bayikena saja iga
kana nyote magana ya kiri service yane njinana ngeje mukutano ritiko lya rero kulenda abantu mbaye twikase ngento itango mbali
Tom Ndege no chief kurwase location yiga ya West Kitutu oyo ogendere ko bagagosegeta abananchi ugotasalia ebintu chinga kibakobolia obwene bwabo
twari kubeka nga sensito ya Kenya to mu president biribaga ligera torae na achikire katiba una boniga amurembe no tukire ko boroki sama kito iga ikigara ntuwa Kenya nito kikomenya Kenya tuwatena ya muyuka to president abange ekapedi ya mina toereza na boigo muna tebete amangano cyabana bali bakenzi bakwana yayigwerere tigaba mwechinga kinera ndeli yero wali otoke
korenganamo na Robert Maubi oyo kabeiro mu kansula samatuka magega oyo wekirana boiga zumusangerekano yigani gagendere ko bagagosemya basaye gotatume kwa bobe
sibono iga ntutagitima ngana mange asoko bori kwabo ngo bwatima mocho lakini ntutagite bintu byajeru ngora ande mbava zunya kuburukania mangana bunali agency sijui nini obori koroko ngo bwate yaki kiroyo mona bwate yaki kero bakole delio ntorojenga irone gisigi bara basakoleta abantu bajage kuobo abantu bose boje nyagitari konyagitari base kuobo agoje kuvenia abantu nyagitari mai gutigara kere paralyzed eyito tatageti boyo yene dispensary egojagera abantu kunyuze kubweni egera abantu abarifad konyakoyenda kujimwini ndo twari kwa requestinga baire ngora
nigo boigo abantu basemerwe kwene kibunangwancha bare enyagitari yabo elyo ebakonye asokoli balibya amarwaire
na ndu toyende ko ba advising yene facility ye community tigerendwe ende elinde kine ijako konya abantu baitu ujimutwe
omwelyo ye nigo banyara ko bakubeko kwigwana elyo musangerekano yiga kunyara ko bago gokorekana litukure Jumatato eikigocha bunenchire Eyemo yo kwene kibuna ebyo byonse bakubolia mbichiko nyara ko babikubekwa kiralyo elyo kumanyekana boronge
manding kwa pili abantu aminduberi go ward especially West Kitutu Sengugam baja sobonge ligera to tulia mangana to yatangaza kabisa ile ni Italy ito egende abantu ito nyoro gugwenya aba ni Italy mbasa kwobwa chema ni toso kwobwa
ebintu byonse bikorekane to ntoje to basomere elyo kere bintu mbire in records to basomere elyo asenye mokorora asenare to torese te moto te vitore kepis
iginko report ligeta seni kya wanchete kya Ndizi TV kurugiga asinya gitari yegaje ligoma dispensary imeye county ya Nyamira inche konkuru kwa Polycarp okara
Biamono omuliki oito Polycarp okara ime county ya Kisii nigo egati ya Banyakonda kurwasoro ngorwa Gusii seria buri ya Kisii Contractors Association banyara ko bagwesokia na kusira egetambo kero muraibwense Daktari William Ruto komochora ogamba migosi koba omwaziri wechisemya sibatabire ninchira Eyemo Ruto nyarekoba kunyora egesakuke mu Gusii
Hoko na chinga kecho ni gabanyakonda abo babere bakubaboria abachumbe kweneke bunangwete bare erietari ya migosi asikire bwe bamuborire omugaraibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kunyora abanyamira asebirogo byo waziri
umuliki oito job mangi na mangi gure robotiro
Maega y'umuraiwense Dr. William Ruto gostora ikamati y'abawaziri nigaba Kenya baenda chikurwa ebirengereryo byabo ababwango mono wesoke n'abanyakonda insi y'omwabuli obo Kisii Contractors Association asebabere bakumwiraniryo umuraiwense Dr. William Ruto mbyamono asoko mochora Julius Migosi ogamba buno mwaziri wechisemi
a minister for education. People from Kisii, young or old, we have come here to congratulate and appreciate that God is good, that he touched the president because he loves the people of Kisii through Ogamba. But now we are represented as a community.
I want to thank our president, William Samuel Ruto, for giving us this chance again to serve a minister for education.
Nigo bateba negetambo keryo ekia anene mono ase okumuinyora omogusi.
Asante sana, sisi tunashukuru mtukufu rais Mheshimiwa William Samuel Ruto. Tumeshukuru rais sana na tunampongeza kwa hii kitu ametufanyia sisi kama Wakisii, tunaendelea kumshukuru.
Boigomba bakomotogia Julius Ogamba muna oyo bwate chisemi ekirabe chikomokonya kuyera ewizara eyo yechisemi.
Anapenda Wakisii. Rais waendelee kufanya kazi yako vile inatakikana. Wewe ndio mkuu wa majeshi ya Kenya. Tunakushukuru sana, uendelee hivyo hivyo, na tunashukuru Ogamba ni Mkisii ambayo ako na elimu ya kutosha, aendelee kutumikia wa Kenya.
The rest of the Kenyans, we would like to assure you that Migos is up to the task and they should not have any doubts regarding his appointment. As a community, we have faith in him.
Ensa moyende mbaba kumusaba Julius Migosi Ogamba kubareta abagusi amo.
We want to tell you as a brother, a senior brother now in Kisii, we want to tell you, bring these people together because we want to be a people, because we have fought in the past 2 years. We don't want to experience the same things that we experienced before.
He becomes a unifying factor for Gusii as a community. Let him unite Kisii and Nyamira Counties so that we become one as a community. We speak the same voice and we move forward as one.
Asebaba kumusaba umuraiwense Dr. William Ruto kwenyora chinsemo chinde imeorogongo Rwanyanza anene mono kwenyora boigo county ya Nyamira.
11, the remaining 11, they are going to come from other parts and we request, if possible, we get another one because Kisii we have Nyamira, and again because we are at Nyanza, we also request that God is going to work up, that the president to assist Kisii, and honestly we have come to appreciate that.
And it is not about clans, it is about a community, it's about Gusii. And I urge our members of parliament, please pass that name with immediate effect.
Yinko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Demono, ukoranga abanyakonda bo Everlyne nigo banyareko bakuburia maraiwensa nyareko bakunyore county ya Nyamira tumanyeti.
Na maino isokorigereria ase abawaziri abababu twemeremo Ezekiel Machogu igaringe korwa Gusii na inde county ya Kisii. Nabona yo chorirwe ne county ya Kisii kikerekero kero ne county ya Nyamira twabere tokwebu.
Tete ngamba bwate onyomo PS osomuliki omonene korwa ase ase chiwizare chinde chionsi chiyororo.
No.
Tuligererie asali arengete amangana ye chisemi nigori twerero yanyarakoba omugoko omonene cyase abagwatani bechisemi korwa skuru yabaiseke ya Nyabururu bayamagiga ya skuru yo kwalgania umuyega bogo chengera machibwa maya yanyarakoba korokana umwakonyarakoba weta
okona chinga cyomuyego yonigo umwalimu gosomoro kyomonene bwe skuru yo asereta Joysorio kyaba kwene kyabuna amachibwa yamaya nigaba kago cyakobwatekana no kubwatirana gati abayibori abarimu naboigo abaoroki wasboigarire irayogo cyagokoria buyamono ase amatemu are motwene misenche enu yabage kwariga ni waboigo no mo Bishop Joseph Mairura
Muliki oito dipo na sanya nyarakobaga gwikira na asome igo ina gutwarigana rubatiro kubatia.
Nigoba umugoko munene.
Mathematics gave us 7.2. English gave us 8.5. Geography gave us 9.1. CRE gave us 10.6. And Kenya won. Kiswahili gave us 11.0.
Haso mujiga bwoko na nebyegwa gucia sai aboroki wambe skuru ya baiseke ya Nyabururu. Awabete bagokora bya asamatemu abamanene yo mwako etabwetirwe 2023.
Leo tumekuja kusherekea, leo tumekuja kutoa shukrani kwa Mwenyezi Mungu. Last year's class we had 702 girls, and out of the 702, 609 made it direct to university.
Aboroki wa mona Bible nigo bachengera gokoro kukuya asochisemi.
Wabe no mogoko monene tukoria rero asa matokeo aya twanyoru mwako era aya toiro moyo ng'anwa na abana baitu bari gaiga ogosemera ingoro guchimotu
anene ogoja kwanega no create security. This is one of my big school, which is a national school within Kisii County. We are proud of Nyambururu girls.
Eri tukuria rero ntore no mogoko muna baiburi asengenje ogocha asa sherehe abana baitu abanyara gukora matemu buya omwaka oera asa school yaito ya Nyambururu National School.
Anene nali tukuria rero lyaberi abere tukuria mogoko asengenje ogocha kwa baiburi ogocha kwa nabageni bacha asiri tukuria rero asengenje ogocha kwa abana ebyewa asengenje okuba mento moyo.
Emisa encheni yara wano mubisho wedausi ya Kisii Josephat Mairiroke mwa nigaburia ekiombe kia basai ya jensi kenyare ko bakegusabirwa unentire Eyemo iyokora lyo murembe.
Ombe rosari moja kila siku nitaona Mungu atabariki.
Chinga kecho boigo omwana munyaroka niga bakagusegetwa asogokora chikosi ao elio anyare kwenyorera libagarigija asamatukale bosio
bono iga abana baitu babe aba engineer abande abanyagitari abande abalimu umwana omwiseke abetaya ase ense yaito namono umwana nyaroka natakeire arendwe asegetwe asensemo yesomo.
Omugambi bwe location ya Nyabururu Vincent Kabeta nigo boigo abori abasaye ba jensi kolenda ensi ya Kenya na kuralio murembe kerengaki.
Abana babwata maandamano maya ani babwate concern lagire nengo sababa Bible kamoranje mobade baisi ekara barure grievances kiabo batie chingaki elinde umuraisi witate kerere nane ndo saliense yaito enense yaito abana digabare enense yaito eline mambi na mambi nane ndo chiko chakera ese tua renge
Giko ripoti ya getaseni kia Eyemo kia Ndizi TV kurwa skuru ya baiseke ya Nyabururu yukutoka Emanyie wunge ya kitutu cha South elithera nenguru kwa Dipon asanya
Bimono ase orogoti oruo Dipon asanya abana buona bange bachite university na nekero kerenga bya bakora. Taranga mwalimu nerega kurira ngasoma koyo 100% bakwenda si university na mayato baganireti. Tokoska motwe ni gomwe msebwe wodi ya sameta mukorero Joseph Sonyo ndari litukoria rero nyarako bagosiuria umoroberio bokorema egesima na boy gokoroto ta umoroberio onyarete kobago gotigara magigasemia kenengenyare kobagegweta
nigo egetambukire kikiabage kokerwa n'abamenyi benseme yo batana babiri bagocandika n'umucando bwa mache asege kabono ase sonya baga kwenekia buna kero yomo na chikonyora amache na kubainekeria obocheni bwa macha yo asaboria kera omumenyi bw'ekinseme cyo kwenekia oburendi na tane icho negatie chira echagendrete goikerania buna betega kubaliera chinga kiche campaign muri keito Kamila Songeta Norbotyuru
abamenyi be woda ya Sameta mukwerero nigo babeire bagwetiro muchando monene wokobora kwa mache korende nigo batwara mogokorero maiga ya mache kobekwa nomo MCA wensemeyo Joseph Sonye Ondari yoteba echio negati yechira abete gakoria
abantu baminto basameta hiyo korona ngo kore campaign na bu promise tuna macha yega kwamire for about the last 8 years ngo kwa muruale elimu nora mache na ande na beire inkogo kamono una e contractor ya etu ya chire ya igwira macha ya bono amacha ya gago chakobago itika for the next 24 hours bone endoto ya ne Eyemo ya ikirani amacha ya nero ya ringe ndoto ya nene na boigo endoto ya ise sarensi barati una ugembo municipality kwa nolera macha isa inoro
nigote babuna abantu bensemeyo nigo babere bagwetera chinga kichinkongu asokonyora mache omochando erire
abantu abasameta egetunura ibo bakurwa bagenda ruchense asekali gekarange na nyansongu no ba uti bagenda babucha mache amacha ya naba yugo sese nuwoko nena asibale egekogera bono babucha mache aranga asibale
negetambukero abamenyi bagokera kegima na guakambuya
amageta Florence nyandika ngoruku Sameta igoro twegure byo mwangambi ataratira mache twagokire buya tuna ototo ndire bibuju twacandikira matuka mange aki twegure buya bona bata mache tayo bona mache naro nanda mange
Sonye nigo chinga kiechwa kambuya somo governor Simbarati asoko batirana goikerania omorobelyo yuo
ono ngongere nimbiya mono isexcellence Simbarati asenge ngiyo wanja kubwaterana amo elio toka make sure kuna macha yangu igorwale akolegasi
nabaenekeria bamenyi abubuna amacha yo nachiego ikera kiroyo more no kugania elio kubakeanerie gurube asebo igo enekio bochenu bwa macha yo
kagireta abantu basameta mukwerero amacha ngo ikera rangi mwezi amuyo gutakamusa amacha chiboye elio anyare koba abantu banyora amacha rangi mbako yendata amacha ya chifuti akire go chinse igakire achietare sana igo buchabu bundi boyo macha ya bwate una macha rito kubuto kurwa skiso ayana macha are very clean, are purified meli roba bono amacha turani na macha ikaunti oja kote kova macha nechebe kechi pipe abantu banyora macha na ande kamuranje komente ni macha ya ntoke tobeke boy go chimita kero muntu kungusa macha kuira boye tobeke chimita erieto enapo abantu bali kuja kulika abune watchman na bantu bande babere bararinda macha banyole besa bagwakana igo bono abantu bamituna inkwere nimbiya muno nandi tugatubwaterane tokole amagenderero asamita mukwerero yetu
kuripota yegeta seni kiao na Eyemo kia Ndizi TV yeterane nkuru kwa Kamilas Ongeta
Toko ligereria ali abere kago korekana isko yorogongo rwa Gusii nigo monogeri bwebunkenene Moses Masika wetangula abere gakwenekeria baralia buna nigo babwate obosibore bwoko irurukia amangana kurwase amagacho yebunge cinga kibarabe bagutwara ebikaro byabo
Chingaki echecho wetangura nigo nyarako bagago tugutera are engana hi yagendere ko bage koranda buna nigo botenerwe bunge yo wanyarako babugo tugutera are abaralia heri kolingo lena koligereria gati yebikaro hebu bigendere tanonyara boniga nyarako bakwene kiabuna ebunge yene chikobe kwaga chensemo ya bene irachiko bage kwene kiabuna chinyomba choburale kinyarako bachi korotota umurubiri botambe kurwasensemeyo.
Been seeing the media allegations that there is any restriction on the media coming to Parliament. Nothing is far from the truth, and the testimony to that is you are being here before me, that you have come to Parliament to do your work as you always do. The only issue is that following the extensive damage that Parliament suffered. We have, as management of Parliament, allocated media that covers Parliament, space across the road at the Red Cross building, but we will be able to facilitate live coverage, as we have always done, access to any materials from Parliament to the media, and we will be able to ensure that the safety, security of Parliament, parliamentarians, our visitors, including the media, are guaranteed at all times without any inconvenience, because we have a duty as a House of Parliament to ensure that whatever we do is open to the scrutiny of Kenyans in wherever parts of the world they are, through media circulation, media coverage. The next media center is not going to be this prefab out here. We have a budget, and we have discussed with your leaders whom we met. We have rolled out a state-of-the-art media center. We have identified a suitable location within this parliamentary compound, and we are soon going to tender. And we have been advised that the construction, once the tender process is done, will not take more than 3-4 months.
Magagayo wetia emirimo kumu Inspector General bw'abanyanyimbo Josephat Kome na bwigoli bagerio koirwa bene noro renko omokonyo ya Douglas Kanja nigo bano muroberio bwoko unenki wa kwa mokonyi bw'abatereri b'abanyanyimbo obakogo chaki wa bene ritkuria rero
Ubwate kanane kiombe kyo kiare ko bage okora okune ngyo konigo giatebire nigo kianyara ko bage gochora marieta atano natato hasaba no murobelyo rachikobo kwene kinga banyare ko ba kumunyora omokonyi bw'abanyanyimbo ho rachikobaga koretsa ubwamo nabo igo kwene kiabuna obokolere ya sebikosi b'abanyanyimbo kianyare ko ba boko basenchere wekirano.
Confident to lead the officers of other ranks below, and also a person who can be able to lead change and reforms in the National Police Service. As you are aware that there is a lot of reforms that are ongoing right now in the National Police Service. I also want to say that the things that this person will be expected to do once you become successful is also among them to be able to make sure that the morale of the officers, the leadership of the officers, the guidance of the officers is also done as per the requirement of the law. He will be in charge of formations and units within the service. He will also be in charge of the men and women in uniform who are distributed all over this country. So it is a very serious and competent job. We are doing part of this process. The law and the Constitution requires that a Deputy Inspector General is appointed by His Excellency the President on recommendation of the Commission. So we are not completing the process by ourselves. We are doing the part that
Magagayo murabese Dr. William Samuel Ruto kubatuka amarieta yaba waziri komino mase serikali ya Kenya kwanza nakarokana kubatika isiko aba waziri abarenge ase serikali nigobone kiombe kia nyakinywa ndumo kororo gongorwa central kiaberege wesokya na kumuboria kumoirania Moses Kuria asekeria renge kurwa bokoreri ubya
Kolengana na barabo nigo batebire kuri nyarete kobaga goikirania emeremo yo bokoreri bwabutambase wizara anene mono asensemo elia ya central nyarete kobaga gocha kimerobelio iyo banyare kobaga gotwaro bwoba nigera chikoba gego tigara maiga onyakuri atakonyara kobaga gochorwa ase wizara iyo.
Kuna ushungu sisi kama Nyakenywa Ndumo juu ya mtu wetu Moses Kuria. Sisi tunajua kazi yenye alikuwa anafanya. Watoto wetu hapa walikuwa washukuriwa na talanta sawa hapa sawa mpira. Na tunajua isipokuwa ni yeye watoto wetu wangekuwa kwa bagi, kwa pombe, kwa nini. Sasa tunasaka kuambia president wetu tunakupenda. turudishie Moses Kuria.
Mimi kama Jensin na support Moses Kuria atolewe kazini kwa sababu Moses Kuria alikuwa anatusimamia na mambo mingi sana. Hapa nimesimama niko kwa kiwanja Polytechnic mahali Moses Kuria alikuwa anasimamia watoto Jumamosi na Jumapili kukuja kucheza mpira hapa. Mimi kama Jensin mdogo nikishikania na wamama wa Nyandumo, naomba Moses Kuria next week masiasi wakirudishwa kazi, Moses Kuria akuwa kwanza kurudishwa kwa sababu Moses Kuria ana support youth, na ukiwa umemuondoa hapo rais umekosea watoto wadogo na umekosea watu wengi sana. Kwa hivyo naomba baba arudishwe.
Wano nigo serikali nse buraibu muraibu Dr. William Samuel Ruto yaberege kubori wakweneke bunango bekere ebitambukiro ebikeranu byogotinya egekoro asebisaku imensi ya Kenya.
Ukwana chinga kicho moyega bugo chengera egekoro kiegesaku kyabateso omonogeri of Fredrika Dungo nigo atebire hasobwango igani nigo ebisaku bigenda tekoba bigo tuguterare anene amaigerio yegekoro yanyere kobaga kagosereria amaskani kurwase ebisaku imensi ya Kenya.
Yule ambaye anatoroka mila ni kama ule muti ambao unakuwa bila mizizi, kuguzwa kidogo na baridi ama upepo si utaanguka. Ndiposa sasa tunahimiza vijana ambao tunakuza wajue mambo ya mila na tamaduni za jamii yao ambao wanatoka.
Ni kweli kwamba mila zetu zinaenda kupotea, na kupotea kwa mila ndio inaleta tabia mbaya, tabia ambayo haijengi ujamii. Ndipo hasa it was a cultural union ikiongoza na His Royal Highness Emor Papa Kiteso, tunaweka nguvu sana kwa watoto wetu wajue mila na desturi ya Wateso, na tunaomba county governments Kenya mzima siunge hiyo maneno mzuri, iweke mkazo kabisa watoto wajue mila, because tunaambiwa mkosa mila ni mtumwa.
Buna injira ya moyo gotingia obokoreri bwobosombi anene weterase Kigali cyo muri robono ni goli twarere company ya Kenya Railways Nyarakoba gosiyore bene obokoreri bwa egali Eyemo yomurero heyera sekerengo kigoro kigima Rachikoba kwene Kenya Nyarakoba yokorobo sombi kurwaso muche o Nairobi gocha sensemo ya Mombasa.
Egali yunigera bege kwimukia abantu emeronkebere asekorengana n'abateneri kurwase company yo babere bakwenekya abunanigo erosilie asebitengo korengana nekerengo ky'abantu nabo igo amagoli y'ekingenjo asekeria babere bakwenekya nanigo babekire mirobere mekirano yo kwenekya buna obokoreri obya bwabere bokurwewa ase obosombi bwegali yo.
The ticket we are looking at I really want you to go around and look at it. For the business class it will remain as is. I mean, for the first class it will remain as is. For the economy class it will remain as is, 1,500, and for the premium class we are going to charge, if you are booking for one way, we are going to charge 12,000 Kenya shillings. But if you are booking go and return, we will charge 20,000 shillings. So it is an advantage for us. When you book go and return, you will save eventually 4,000 shillings. And seeing is believing. These 20 passenger coaches are as follow. We have 10 for the economy class, where the seating arrangement has been redefined to either be facing the destination or the departure station where you left. We are also receiving 4 first class coaches, where again there are new added features into it. We are also receiving what we have now categorized in the new entry of our movement of passengers, which are the 4 premium coaches.
Biamano sana oroboti urutimanyiti gose egali chinguru cy'umurero gose ya Kenya Railways yarabeta bauti sana ntwaroche omo raibwenso mukoro Uhuru Kenyatta na nyata kovaga gusiyole bene eri yale kwa Madaraka Express yale kwa ikorwase umucho Nairobi gochi Mombasa mero se yarabeta bauti yake na ndeli italera nyara kwa bagikorokwa
nigo korengana bateneri korwase company yege ya Railways baine kyabune gari yo nigebwate ebitengo tofauti korengana na abantu ekere ebirengo by'abantu abantu bekerengo yense mbabwata sabo imeye gari eyo asaba wakanira chibesa cyabo cyekerengo yense ekerengo kyagati ne kerengo kigura asabate ba no barabumba bwate abantu bekerengo kigura no barabwate nsemo yabe bekire ase gari eyo asaba guchwakanira chibesa mbabe chibesa cyekerengo kyabo igobono ikini kero kemne gari yega
chingoro
na benke nyumba
Igreja kulinga maeta balirwa kwaereza igo njona ariko bolinga echake kuru Nairobi saa moja chiamambia ike Mombasa sasta chiamo gasoko batakana banta wige wika chisa tabo sabasia sobamo wawikira na chisa chiri
nisi nimedengwanya kuri na gari ya murero korende igo metekero bate VIP ngore none kere functionnaire VIP ntobwate VVIP tobwate VIP tobwate regular omete VVIP treatment yerororo ere tofauti VIP treatment yerororo ere tofauti igo ntoko manyenki kerikebe kire na bangu ikira na bari at the same time igo ekero bari VVIP ebinto services chirororo sense meyo maybe echichikogera chibesa chikine ne chiekerengo keigoro kegima
Emanyie Jumatato ntoche tawe kumorobe na ntorenga twatole experience kia egari yu ya kerengo kigoro kegima kurwa somo cyo Nairobi ochi Mombasa kuru Gusii ochi Nairobi no to sinyirenga ngitara tawe totumeke kurende toche tawe toko roto tasayo
Mancho mulgere bano aya naro twakwariganiretie imeye Emanyie Jumatato Eyemo timaitia sokoira Victor Sultani rero
Victor ababu na chiligi chosi pina bimenano byosi pi nigo bira somutimoko
igonero gendo mutimoko
ningongo ogocha ase Emanyie chigosori ekero ne bimenano byosi bibire ase omotimoko
mbia muno mancho mulgere ase bali monsi mugendere togotobwate ko ase chinsinyo au bali mugendere togotobwate ase chinsemo chimitandao ndochekega sensemo ya Facebook ntobwate Onsarigo Edwin Machabe kurwa Eskimborabu Motrumesi agoteba watching live Epsiba Mongare watching live from Nyakwana Jeria Kerubo agotebanere no agendere tegotobwatia Kirandi Dennis kurwa chinsemo chia Nakuru City Adolin Kemtomoinga kurwa chinsemo chia Kebirga agoteba no turemyo murobero abune gatia bari bagendere tegotobwatia sensemo ya Facebook ngamaite nabange bagendere tegoturigereria abo batararika chijumbe cyabo korene nigo tokubakira ngambia muno
nyorabutambe Emanyie Jumatato munemero belio imegata seni Ndizi TV mwancho muligere naboko yebwate gwetera ase ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital
asensemo ya YouTube nigo ratonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News nabo igase website ito nabo tonyora chinsemero nkebere na nye gwetera www.ndizitv.net ero togendere gusanga asogwamo
tubwatera na amona bariki baito bamangana amaya chinga kibono sara mu manya nyarako bakwene kiabona chibicha amaneriyo gichabo chira senchere wekero hya ngorko Josephat Amisi
Editene Everlyne Osero uria twabatira na sensemo yimenyerero nigakoro kwa Lydia Museto kwaneria burigere biro bya semero bire kubwate atumira na inde chikoraga chinsa isato asaya amona ya ndamanke